A Perplexity agent is a Perplexity collection that is also a reusable prompt. In this course, I won't try to show you how to create an agent. We'll leave that for another course, but I just want to show you how an agent works. So here's an agent I created named Presidential Election Data by County 2000 to 2020. Over on the right, you've got the description, which is type the name of a county and its state and press enter. And that's all the user has to do. And then here's the AI prompt for the agent. It says, for the county named in the prompt, retrieve election data for the U.S. presidential elections in 2000 through 2020. Include the candidates' names, their political parties, and their percentage of the total vote, and organize the data for each election into a table. So you click where it says New Thread and type the name of a county and press Enter. And the agent will produce a table for each presidential election since 2000, showing you the names of the candidates, their party, and their percentage of the total vote. If you want to do a different county, you just click up here on the name of the agent. So you get a new version of the agent. Type the county, press Enter. And you get a new series of tables showing you the presidential election results for all of the presidential elections going back to the year 2000.